Alright guys, so I'm doing a little review on the flashlight that Dave sent me out today. I've been wanting to get a new flashlight for a while, but I just wasn't really sold on any of the big brands that were out there, and Dave got a pretty good deal on them, so I figured I'd pick one up. The specific one I got here was the Winter Tie, which it says it's limited edition. I don't know how many of these things were made, or I'd be honest with you, I'd never even heard of a light until Dave talked to us about it, but give it a try. He also sent me one of these kick-ass patches, which looks like a Velcro. Yep. So that's going to go in my kit bag. Sweet. Thanks, Dave. Alright, so we got the flashlight. This is what you get in the box. It didn't come with the lanyard attached. I put that on there because I got a little excited and opened it up beforehand. Played around with it a little bit. But it'll make this review go a little smoother. Also, it comes with a little, carrying bag, if you want to call it that. And a little charging cable for the battery in there, okay? And a little pouch to put that in. Also, you got some, README instructions, the Olight, winter, dark, cold, I don't know, some card. And then we got some paperwork in here. Now, what I noticed about the paperwork, and this is kind of a funny part, is there's a data sheet here, alright? And I'll put it on camera for you guys and talk a little bit. But basically, this talks about all the different models that come with it, okay? And interestingly enough, the winter one, which is the one up here, the one I got, right? That one is the only one that on turbo mode is 850 lumen. All the other ones are 1000, okay? But the one I had ordered was 850, and I had no idea. Not a big deal. I mean, I just needed a good flashlight. Come on, focus. There we go. And it's got a lot of different modes. You got a moon mode. You got a turbo, or low, medium, high, and a turbo mode. And we'll go over how to access all those in a second. God damn it. Focus. Stop doing that. All right. What's interesting, though, is the moon mode lasts 8 days. And it's a very low light. Almost, tactical environment, or if you were looking at it from a, you're in the field and you don't have a means to charge it, and you just need night at light to look at a map or something like that. Great battery life here. The other thing you're looking at is with the low mode, you're getting about 20 hours. The medium mode, you're getting about 3 hours and 40 minutes. And then the medium, you get an hour 45, or I'm sorry, a minute and a half and 45 minutes. I'm not sure what the plus sign means. I'm assuming it's supposed to last 45 minutes is what I'd assume. And then lastly, you got 37 minutes on the turbo mode. Okay. The high mode is only 550 lumens on mine. The other ones are 600. And then it looks like from medium down, they're all identical. It's all 60 lumens. 12 lumens, and then lastly 0.5 lumens. Okay, so that's that. There's also different colors. So the winter one comes with a warm white color. God, this blurry camera. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, yeah. So the winter one, the one I ordered, which is the black titanium one, is warm white. The eternal copper one is a cool white. Okay, neutral white is the titanium color here. Then you got, this is the autumn. The summer is cool white, and then the spring is neutral white. So, as far as I know, the winter one is the only one with a warm light, and then the other ones are a combination of either neutral white or cool white. So, there's that to consider. Okay? So, as far as the flashlight goes, you get flashlight, lanyard, charging cable. You get the little carrying pouch for the charging cable, which I guess is to keep it waterproof. Put it in there so it doesn't get wet. It says, keep battery safe. Store battery in the box after being taken out of the product. Okay, so apparently you can also store your battery in here. And it looks like there's room for 2, so you could actually carry spare batteries, which would be pretty freaking cool for a rechargeable system, because you could charge your cable or your batteries, throw them in there, and just throw your cable in the the baggie that it comes with. Additionally, whenever you first get it, there's a little instruction card here that says "README." And it tells you to pull this little yellow tab out